Hello traders, welcome to Price Action Real Traders. Today I'm going to show you how to trade with market analysis. So we have finished with engulfing zone strategy. So today we are going to start with market analysis. Then I will be showing you how to trade forex as well. And this market analysis is the combination of many strategies. You can combine many strategies together and trade. You can trade based on engulfing zone. You can trade based on strong trend, ranging market support and resistance, trend line, Fibonacci, EMS, Bollinger Bands, all in this strategy. Only you just try to analyze, then you decide to take your trade. And as I was telling you, this market analysis strategy has low winning ratio because sometimes you can misanalyze, you can get losing trades, and most of the times even pro traders, if they are using this strategy, they sometimes lose trades. Only if you lose trades, don't lose concentration. Try to concentrate and analyze very well before you take another trade. As soon as you lose trade, just calm down, concentrate, and try to analyze very well and take your trade. As you can see here, this market is not nice. You see long wicks, but here market is trying to go down. Fake breakout of 100 EMA. Yes, you see rejection, but it's not nice rejection. You know, it is too evening, so in the evening time rejection sometimes doesn't work because there is no lot of people in the market. So in this situation you have to be very careful, or you can just trade Bollinger. You can use Bollinger strategy to trade. As you can see, the market is still evening because I'm very busy. So but here, see, most of the time this hammer, yes, you see this market is not nice, but here is reversal pattern. These two hammer show that market is reversing. Yes, market is reversing here. That's why I placed my trade put option. But market is doing some panic because the market is not nice. As you can see, up down. So in this situation you have to be very careful. You see, so the market is really bad. So you see, this is winning trade. So here, so you see breakout here of 20 MA. Market comes closer to 20 MA and is pulling back. So let's check. I think this is full back from 20 MA, even though the market is not nice. So you see here, this is nice area. This is support and resistance here. Yes, here you can see change of polarity. So if market break here, Yes, market has break here. If I get lower, low, I need lower entry point to place my trade. Lower below these lines. Because the market is not nice, so you have to trade with marginal of safety. I think market comes down somewhere here, then I place my trade, because after market touch this Bollinger it can reject, so it's dangerous. So it's better to wait for market to touch this lower Bollinger. If you see rejection, you can place your trade. Because of the ranging market, so you see here, so you see we are closer to Bollinger, but market touch here and reject. So there is no rejection below this candle, so I will not place my trade, because this candle has no rejection here. If there is rejection on this candle, I can place my trade. Even this candle has no rejection here, so it means market is going down. Market is breaking this level now. So if I see gap up, yes, little bit gap, yes, I place my trade, but bad entry point because of the market situation. But I know it's going down, even though this rejection here, no rejection, this little bit rejection, and the market close above here, means market is continue. Definitely market must continue here. It must break this 20 MA. As you can see, the 20 MA is flat, it's ready to break. And the market was here before. You see strong sellers entry. So you see, this is winning trade. So why I took this trade, as you can see, this is reversal pattern, and the market has touched this Bollinger. In ranging market, always market reverse at 1 deviation or 2 deviation. You see here, this is 2 deviation, you see market reverse. Here 1 deviation, market reverse. You see here, market reverse. Always market reverse here or here. So that's why I place my trade. So in range market, always market reverse at Bollinger Bands. So you see here, market is at 2 deviation, Bollinger Band, and here is strong area, but my network is bad. I have bad network. Network is not nice. So let me wait for market, for network to be stabilized. You see the network is not nice. I don't know the movement of this candle. So you see market is reversing at 1 deviation, but here this is level but gap. see here, you see rejection. Yes, another rejection. If market comes down, now I'll place my trade. Yes, but body entry point. Yes, I place my trade call option here because of true rejection here, and this is reversal pattern from one deviation, lower Bollinger Band. So you see strong bias, but market is not nice. As I was telling you, it's too evening now to trade, but I managed to trade. You see, I took total 3 trades based on market analysis. So this is the way that you trade with market analysis. You just try to analyze the market. You just trade any strategy you know. So today we have started with this analysis. As you can see here, I all trade with one pair AUD USD. Here you see, because of this reversal pattern, this 2 hammer, then I place my trade put option here, and this one you see here. After this engulfing, I can see multiple touch of this area. Market is trying to break this 20 MA, and the 20 MA is very flat. Then I place my trade put option, and I know a ranging market always market reverse at 1 deviation or 2 deviation or middle Bollinger Band. That's why after this reversal pattern at middle Bollinger Band, at 1 deviation upper, I place my trade put option here. And here you see, after this 1 2 3 black crown, market reverse, creates reversal pattern, pencil line pattern here. Then I know market is reversing, and you can see this, what do you call it, this spinning top is continuation. You see strong bias, and you see now here market is trying to reverse at fake breakout, or railway track fake breakout of 1 deviation upper Bollinger Band. So always, if you have ranging market, you bear in mind that market is reversing at 1 deviation or 2 deviation or middle Bollinger Band all the time. So that's why you see, as soon as you see reversal pattern in 1 deviation or 2 deviation, so you know market is reversing. So as you can see here, reversal pattern, market reverse. Then here reversal pattern, market reverse. So you see, I took total 3 trades with market analysis. And always, if you have low volume or if there is no people in the market, you have to be careful. And if there is high volume, you have to be careful as well, or low volume market. So this is the way that you will trade with market analysis. So from today we have started, always we will be trading with market analysis. You know, market analysis has many strategies, because it's combination of many strategies. So that's why we have started, and I will start showing you how to trade forex as well with market analysis. You know, forex trading, all the trading is based on market analysis. So this is the end of this video. If you like this video, please like it, share, comment. I will say thank you. Bye bye.